I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cake recipe. First, gather all your ingredients and necessary equipment. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F to ensure it's ready when your batter is mixed. Accurate measurement of dry ingredients like flour and sugar is crucial for the perfect texture. This foundational step sets you up for baking success, ensuring your cake turns out just right every time. Let's get started on creating something wonderful. Next, let's focus on mixing your batter. Begin by creaming together your butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This incorporates air, making your cake tender. Then, add eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition to ensure everything is well combined. Finally, alternate adding your dry and wet ingredients, mixing just until combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough cake, so be gentle. Now it's time to bake your masterpiece. Carefully pour the prepared batter evenly into your greased and floured cake pans. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cakes cool in their pans for about 10 minutes before inverting them onto a wire rack. It's essential to cool them completely before moving on to frosting. Finally, the fun part, frosting and enjoying your cake. Make sure your cakes are completely cool before you even think about applying frosting. Otherwise, it will melt right off. Spread your favorite frosting evenly for a smooth, professional finish. You can add sprinkles or other decorations for extra flair. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.